Hey everybody, after 3 months of waiting for this, it's here. Mars GS. We're gonna start unboxing this. Got the accessories box in yesterday. I'm gonna get everything taken care of and opened up. Alright, let's get started on this unboxing. I popped the tape already. Didn't feel like doing that. Woo! Damn! Babe, come here. Oh, shit.
I think that's mine now.
Oh, shit. Or you want one too?
No, I want that one.
Oh, you want that one? Alright, well then when they come out with the new one, you get this one too.
You can have a black one.
Hey, just like that one, okay? We'll just upgrade and upgrade, okay? Shit. A little bit. We'll just half-ass tighten them for a minute just so they don't move. We'll actually tighten them more later. Ooh, the instrument panel. The handlebars. Ooh, got a nice little baggie with it. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Accessories box time. Let's get this opened up a little bit and see what I'm gonna need before I keep going into this scooter. I did watch the video a little bit. This thing comes with charger, toolkit, rear deck grip. Good, because it was good on my other one to add it. Anti-collision cups, thumb throttle, deck silicone pad, the pump for the air shocks, connecting plates, headlights, 12-volt power extension. I think that's one where you can custom wire shit. I'm not sure, pretty sure. Air shock user manual, see flange nuts, caps, steering dampener, ooh, mud flap extension, pre-charge resistor. I saw something about that before charging it. It goes, plug cap screws. Yep, I need that. And kickstand assembly. Awesome. Let's get into this box. Ooh. Okay. There's my top grippy grip. The grippy grip. Let's put this over here. What is this? Up, steering dampener. Let's see that shit. Let's see. That's nice, actually. Yeah, that's pretty thick too. That ain't no Temu cheapo. That's a good one. Original GTR. I mean, people add them, but you don't need one. I'll be running 70 miles an hour, no wobbles every time. I even have a imbalanced tire on the front right now because it came in like that, and I said, screw it, I'm gonna keep burning it, and still no wobble. So, okay, one of these gonna be steering dampener. All right, there's my kickstand. I think it might be a little bigger.
That does look bigger. Might
be a smidget bigger. Alright, let's put that to the side real quick, because I'll be putting that on there a little bit. Yeah, I'll put it to the side right here. What is this? Ooh, a tool bag. Man. Ooh, my headlight, babe. Look, my new headlight. It's fancy. It's fancy.
Automatic, these are mine.
Oh, okay.
Why do you need this?
Yeah, I do. Because the girl power, I got this. Oh, okay.
And then a couple of these.
Oh, okay. Look at my new charger. It's big. Yeah, it's big. Ooh, okay, that's charger. I'll put that to the side. Which one's this? Huh? Oh. Alright, oh, look, mud flap extender, and then the new grippies for the tail. Okay, I'll put that right there. Anything, what is all this? Oh, my top bolts I'm gonna need here in a minute with these. Okay, let's just stuff those, make sure I've gotten it all, stuff that. What's this? Oh yeah, my trigger throttle if I want to swap it. That's what's in there. Let's see, what's this? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Is there an extra? What is this? Oh, my air pump from my shock. Looks pretty nice too. Alright, everybody, let's get this tightened just a little. Not sure where these are supposed to be separated at, but this one I know for sure goes on the bottom. Oh shit. Oops. Alright, let's get this tightened up now. Alright. It's time to do the heavy shit. Time to do the heavy shit. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Scheisse. Oh, man. Woo! Fucking pretty. Alright. Let's see if I can do this, babe. You might have to help me get this box off. Babe. You might.
Oh, they're purple.
Uh-huh. The brakes? Yeah, the new ones they put on, the fancy ones for the wheelie and shit, they're purple.
Ow.
No, the normal ones are like a different color, but they got custom purple for this one. Did it get you?
No, it's fucking white.
Oh.
Found the sun of it.
Oh. Here, pull it. Pull the box.
Weird hand things inside here.
Oh, a piece of it. There we go. Yeah, there's air bubbles under. Look, I just pushed one. There's one right there. Fuck. Oh, got a little envelope and a little baggie. Let's see. Adventure, discover, fearless. Alright. Got it all the way put together pretty much. Just haven't done the crash cups yet. I'll do those later. I'm getting too excited to go ride it. I don't feel like doing all the bolts right now. So I'm going to just check the air in the tires and the shocks, and I'm going to give it a shot, turn it on. Where did I put the pump? I'm a dum-dum and we don't check that right now. Hey, look at the lights. Even in the daytime. Alright, let's get started on this. The only issue I had, I was going to put the steering dampener on, but it's missing one of the little silver little pieces for it, so I'll just contact them. They're amazing. They always help with everything, so it shouldn't be a problem at all, but let's look at the rest. I just got the tires checked and aired up all the way. The air thing, I guess you got to remove it to check it, so I'll just see if it feels too soft or not. We'll find out. Anyways, the power on. Let's see. Oh, I still have my keys hanging. Alright, well, let's see. Is this gonna power on? Ooh, made a little noise. Do-do-do-do-do-do! Okay. Enter passcode. It has Bluetooth on it too? Shh.